So let's hear it. What do you guys think about the TTDEye Queen Blue lenses? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette, and if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, and of course live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Now let's get straight into this video where I review the Queen Blue TTDEye contact lenses. So you guys, I was pleasantly surprised by these contact lenses. I'll tell you why once we start talking about the color. As for the price, they were about, I believe, 20 bucks altogether with shipping. I didn't use a discount code or anything. I do have a discount code with TTDEye, which they were so grateful enough to give me. Thank you so much again. I will put it right up here on the screen so you guys can get some money off. At the time that I had placed this order though, I didn't have a discount code with them, and then they reached out to me after they saw my work on Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me there. I'll put my handle right here. They saw where I put up a picture using their lenses. Of course, I was wearing their lenses and I tagged them in it, and so they reached out to me and told me that they would give me a discount, which can give you guys some money off. So here's the code again, and I'll put it in the description box down below. It really does help me out a lot. I get a small commission and I really do appreciate it. But anyways, so before I had the code, I just purchased the lenses. It was about 20 bucks with shipping, and they came within, I believe, 2 to 3 weeks. I ordered these as well as the Polar Lights Brown. I did a whole review on them. I'll link it in the cards right here in case you want to check it out. And so I purchased these lenses and those lenses since I was looking for a nice kind of light bluish, almost like greenish type of contact lens. And so I saw these and thought that they would be really interesting to get and to try. So I got them and I am pleasantly surprised. I'll put up the specs for the lenses right here that I got off their website about these lenses. And so let us talk about the color right now. So the color was almost pretty much exactly what I wanted. It looked the way that it looked on the model and on their website, which I love. I hate when I see a contact lens. You know how you're looking sometimes for contact lenses and you look on the website or you look at the model that's wearing it and it doesn't quite look that way when you get it. I'm sure we've all had that experience. Let me know down below if you've ever had that experience and with what brand and what contact lenses. I'm very interested to hear. So anyways, so I got them and they look exactly like the way they looked on the model and the way that they showed the pictures on their website. So I was very happy about that. They're very, as you can see, here's how they look with a ring light or in room lighting. And now with the, when I go outside, and I was like chasing the sun around with my husband trying to get this picture and this video clip to show you guys. Here's how they look in natural light, and here's a picture of how they look in natural light as well. And as you can see, like this clip here, when I leaned forward because I was trying to find the sun, it was like the clouds are getting in the way. But when I finally got when the sun finally came back out a little bit and I leaned forward in the car and then got the this clip right here, you can see like a little bit of the green and the blue mixed together. I will say that the pupil hole looks a little larger than I guess I'm used to, but it's not really a big thing to me. I don't see myself wearing these lenses, I guess you could say, every day. Maybe like if I'm going on a night out or I just want to switch up my look, that I'll wear them. But these for me are not going to be like everyday lenses. Simply because I love like hazel or light brown. That's more of my everyday, like I guess you could say, toned down contact lens. So these aren't going to be everyday for me, but I do love them. They are super comfortable. I haven't had any issues with them. I've been wearing them pretty much the entire day. I haven't had any issues. They are so comfortable. The lens itself is very thin, which you guys know I love a thin lens. and they fit my eyes perfectly. They aren't too big, aren't too small, anything like that. They're not moving around. They fit great. I haven't had any problems with any of TTDEye's lenses. If you guys have, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm pretty sure it'll help the community. But me personally, I haven't had any problems with any of their lenses. As you guys may already know, the Queen Polar Lights Brown are my favorite lenses from them. A few of you have been telling me to try the Polar Lights Brown 2. I will definitely order those lenses and review them as soon as I get them, as well as a few other lenses that I've been eyeing as well. So would I repurchase these lenses? Definitely. They're very, very pretty. They're like a nice oceany greenish blue, which makes them look very, very natural, which I love. And they look so pretty. They look stunning, especially in natural light. They look so pretty, especially with this eye makeup look. If you want any more eye makeup look tutorials, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I've been like experimenting with all of my palettes and trying to complement the colored contacts with the makeup look. I'm getting pretty good at it, but if you guys want a tutorial, just let me know. Any kind of tutorials you guys want to see, just let me know down below. And let me know what you guys think of these lenses. Are you interested in purchasing these lenses? Let me know all your thoughts down below. Stay tuned for more pictures and clips at the end like I usually do. And I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And let me know what other videos you want to see. And of course, follow me on my socials. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.